Hi, today I want to show you something which is right up my valley. So it is a Dutch oven from Royal Catering. If you're a bit outdoorsy and you like cooking under the sky, this is something you actually must have. It's an amazing piece of equipment. I've been cooking with a Dutch oven for years now. And it's not just a pot, you can do a lot of stuff with it. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. So let me just get to it, all right? First of all, it's made of cast iron, purely cast iron, which is great because cast iron is known for its ability to conduct heat. So the way it works, let me just quickly explain the concept. Basically, you just put anything what you want to cook inside, drop the lid, put it in the fireplace, or just cover it with hot coals. And while the lid traps all the steam, all the liquids inside, and these prevent the items inside from burning. And you can do amazing stuff with it. You can do you can do roasts, you can do ribs with it, wings, you can do cakes, and even bread. And it does require a bit of practice. So this particular model has 6-liter capacity, so it will easily feed a 4 to 5 person family. You can, what you do with it actually, you just can hang it over the fireplace. You can put it directly into the fire. You can put it on hot coals. There's a special stand for it, because this particular model has no feet, so you can use it in a conventional oven or on a stove, just normal cook oven or something like that. You can use the lid as a frying pan. So what you do is just place it just like that with some coals inside. And use it as a frying pan. You can do, fried eggs with it easily, scrambled eggs. So there's a lot of possibilities. So let me just go through some of the stuff that you should know when working with a Dutch oven. Well, first of all, it does require some practice. From my experience, I know, the first couple of tries end up in smoke. So you have to be vigilant and try again. Once you've perfected the technique, you can do amazing stuff with it. So before you use it the first time, you have to season it. Seasoning means that you kind of impregnate the surface inside so it doesn't burn and the items won't stick to it. So what you do, you just put a little bit of oil, vegetable oil in it, with a bit of salt. You put it on the heat, let the oil burn out. Some of the oil will be absorbed by the metal itself, and the carbonated oil will create a sort of like a coating, the protective coating, so this will not rust. Also, very important, this device is not exactly made for boiling water. Of course you can do that, but after boiling water you should, or acidic foods like tomatoes and or citrusy foods, you should just rub it up with vegetable oil as well. Let it soak in, otherwise it may cause corrosion. When you see a little bit of rust on it, don't worry about it. Put some oil on it, let it soak in, and the device is ready to be used. This is not something that you will keep for 1 or 2 seasons. Once you get one of these, it will hold for a lifetime. I'm working with the one that I inherited from my grandmother, so it's already like 30 or 40 years old. So it's something that you keep for a very long time. Also, there's a couple of really cool features about it. First of all, you have this metal sort of like handle, so you can hang it over your fire. I mentioned the stand, so you can put that on the flame, so it stands nice and evenly over coals or over the bonfire. The lid itself also very heavy with a special edge, and this edge is for a reason. So when you put hot coals on it, it's actually to keep the coals and ash inside, so when you open it up, the ash will not fall into the pot. In this set also you get a special tool, which is for lifting the lid. It's so designed so you can just hook it on, you lift it up, and you can shake the coals off the lid just like that. The handle is also designed so it doesn't conduct heat. There's a special spiral on the handle which disperses the heat so it won't burn your hand. Talking about burning, I always like to use some heavy welding gloves, just like these. I always keep it on hand, because, well, when you put it in the flame, when you put it in the fire, this will get hot, and it's always good to have some of these within reach. So if you are on the hunt for a Dutch oven, just have a look at the website, because there are a few more with different capacities, so you'll find the one that will suit your needs. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, and when you order this one, it will come not in one but in 2 thick cardboard boxes with lots of packaging material in it, so there's nothing that can break during its journey to your place. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read, because there are a lot of useful information on how to treat the device, and when it's treated right, it will hold for ages, so it's quite important. Alright, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.